Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change LCD for iPhone 11 Pro Max. The first thing you have to do, you have to make sure you get the correct tools to open this iPhone. Okay, like this one. You open the two screws at the back here first. Okay, then you find the pen set, you try to open it. You just put it here like this, push it down and ace it up, and be careful, don't force it. You put it right down like this. Okay, some of the phones like if they never open before, you have to eat at least for 5 minutes, but this phone they open it so many times, so it's easy now to open, so no need for me to heat it again. Okay, so you just open it and be careful for the connector this side. The connector always at this side where the SIM card side here, so be careful when you put the pencil this side so you don't spoil the cable for the sensor and the speaker upstairs here. Okay, so you just put it slowly, and when you want to open it, you see the headphone is this side, you don't open this side, you open the other way, this way. You bring it down a bit, then you open this way because the connector is this side. Okay, the SIM card side. So after you open it like this, you have to remove all the screw here, down here, and remove the panel. Okay, use the different screwdriver, this one. Okay, then you open it here. You have to remove all the screw. Okay, you have to remove 6 screw here. You have to remove all the 6 screw to remove the panel, so you can disconnect the cable, the screen cable, and you disconnect the battery also before you disconnect the screen cable. Make sure you disconnect the battery first before you disconnect the screen cable, so that you can keep the motherboard safe. Okay, remove this one and disconnect the screen cable. Okay, then you disconnect the LCD. Okay, so LCD have 3 cables, you have to disconnect all, and be careful, don't force to open it. After you disconnect it, you have to take it out. Okay, then you put this one here. Okay, now you need to remove the speaker and the sensor. You need to remove it and transfer it to the new LCD. Okay, and you have to use use 2 types of screwdriver. You have to use this one first because there's 2 screws here, 1 screw here that use this one, and the other that's 2 screw is star. So you use this one for the small screw here close to the sensor. You take out the small screw, put it aside, then you use another screwdriver. You use the star one, this one, to remove the other 2 screws here. Make sure you put all the screws different places so you know where you take them and where to fix them back. Okay, but after you remove the 2 screws, you have to take out the cable, this one. You take out this camera plastic. You make sure you open it slowly, don't force it from there. Okay, you open this side also. You try to ace it up slowly, don't force it, just make sure you open everything and ace it up slowly like this. Okay, you remove it. Okay, make sure everything is well fixed. Okay, now you need to replace it on the new screen. Before you remove the how you call it, the warranty sticker, you have to make sure you try the screen first before you do it. I already tried my own screen, so now I can remove the warranty sticker, no problem, because I know the screen is working. Okay, so now you need to fix this one. Just try to fix it slowly. Just make sure you fix it exactly how you take out from the old screen. Okay,
no bootable device.
So
No video.
so you have to take out, you fix back the small screwdriver first. You fix the small screw up here first, close to sensor. Fix this one first. Okay, now you have to fix the other two with the star here. You fix this one, then you fix this other one here. Okay, make sure the warranty sticker is at the back, so that you don't close it inside the phone, because when you close inside the phone it's hard to open. Okay, so now you need to fix the screen. Make sure you fix the screen first before you fix the battery connector. Okay, you make sure you fix, and before you fix the screen like this, before you press the screen down, make sure the screen already correspond perfectly on the motherboard connector before you press it down. Don't press it down if you don't make sure of it, because sometimes when you press it down you don't make sure the thing is fixed properly, you spoil the connector, or you spoil the connector on the board, and that one is very hard to change. Okay, so after you fix the screen cable, okay, you close that side first. Don't forget, you have to put the metal and close it. You put all the screw. Okay, you have to use this screwdriver for it. You put all the screw back. Make sure you put all the screw. It's 6 screw. You have to put all the screw, because this cover is very important to put. Why important to put? If the phone fall down, mistakenly fall down, the screen will not disconnect from the motherboard. But if you don't put it, when the phone fall down, the screen might disconnect from the motherboard, and the display will goes off. That's why it's good to put this cover, so you can close it, so you can protect the screen connector not to remove from the motherboard. Okay, after you fix this one, then you close the battery terminal. You fix the battery terminal perfect. Then you put the metal also for the battery terminal also. You have to close it. This one also have 2 screws to put here. You have 2 screws to put. Make sure you put all the 2 screws. Okay, then you try to close it. You make sure you close the top first. Make sure the top is rest properly inside like this before you press the back. Press the middle. Okay, you press the back now and press the middle side. Don't press the back before you press the front. Make sure you fix from the front first, then you squeeze the back and squeeze the middle, so you can close it properly. Okay, then don't forget you have to put the 2 screws back. This one to have different screw star. You put it inside. Okay, now you need to test the phone, because sometimes the battery is low, so you don't need to press the power button straight away. So you have to use the charger directly and just put on charge, because iPhone, when you put the charger inside, if the battery is low, you just start charging. If the phone is charged, the phone will just on by himself. Okay, now it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.